In this tutorial, you'll learn how to log in with Google Two Factor Authentication. Log in with the extra security of Google Two Factor Authentication. The Google Authenticator app can be used on Android and iPhone. It provides an additional and important layer of security to protect your Master EDCOIN wallet from hackers. This is better and more secure than email authentication. Log in with Google 2FA. Enter your username and password to log in. Click on the Login button. You will be asked for your Google Two Factor Authentication code. Open your Google Authenticator app, copy the Google Authenticator code, and paste it within the time limit. Click on Continue to submit. When successful, you'll be directed to your Master EDCOIN wallet dashboard.